which aptly describes our chairperson, Dr. Mrs. B. Jyoti Reddy ma'am. Dr. Jyoti Reddy is a luminary in the field of education. She is a true leader with the power to begin, the eloquence to communicate, the patience to execute, and the wisdom to evaluate. She is an MABED graduate with PhD in Hindi literature. Her relentless dedication to education spans over nearly 4 decades, marked by celebrating till 1928.
Oh, this means Indian women got this right much quicker.
That's right. In 1947, when our country became free, the right to vote was given to women.
But only voting rights do not ensure equality.
Yes, it comes with a change in mindset and thinking.
Yes, this is exactly what is happening in this village.
I need some money.
Why do you need it?
My school is collecting funds to help poor people who are suffering in floods.
Well, can you find some work like small chores?
I don't get any time after school. I look after 5 lemon trees. I water them. I clean up the dry leaves and I prune them.
I have a great idea. Indian entrepreneur.
Enter, what's that?
An entrepreneur.
Shall I have to study hard for it?
No, dear. An entrepreneur is a person who starts a business.
A business? But how can I do that?
It's not that difficult. You already have the raw materials, your lemon. You can add value to it by making lemonade and sell it.
My name is Visha. I am going to tell news. CM Niraj Reddy orders setting up of dedicated backward class panel to fix reservations in Telangana. State set for launch of caste census in Telangana from Wednesday. National news. India must clear landing space from non-Japanese companies. ISRO chief. Supreme Court upholds the validity of UP Madrasa Education Board Act.
Amazon Prime Video launches AI-powered recaps for TV shows. Sports news. IPL Lega accused to be held in Jeddah in Saudi Arabia on November 24 and 25. BCCI. India takes first step to hosting Olympics, sends letter of intent for 2036 edition.
Today I have a tale to share, one that speaks about a prophecy that has long been foretold.
A prophecy? What kind of prophecy?
A prophecy of balance and harmony of a village where all are equal and free, where livers children like you will embark on quests to fulfill these principles and bring about a new era of prosperity and peace.
It is not for you, it is for boys.
Yes, girls should play with